Good morning, dear students. I am your Shibu sir. Welcome to the English class brought to you by Lota Khamarbeti High School. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Dear learners, your English class is going on. Please take your writing materials and listen to me very carefully. Can you remember what I have taught you in my previous class? Yes, I have taught you transformation of sentence from assertive sentences into interrogative. Today, we shall learn how to change assertive sentences into exclamatory sentences according to some rules. Dear students, now look at me and listen to me what I say carefully. Okay? Here, I have written some examples of assertive sentences. These sentences will be turned into exclamatory sentences. At first, I have written a little learning is a dangerous thing. A little learning is a dangerous thing. It may be a very dangerous thing. If the sentence begins with a or an, and if the sentence contain very, great, very much, really, most, that sentences will be turned into exclamatory sentence in such a way that we should bring how or what. If the sentence begins with a or an, we can start with what, then a or an, what, a or an plus adjective or adverb. Adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb plus ... plus note of exclamation. Note of exclamation. So we can write here what a what a adjective. Adjective. What a dangerous. If there is a noun after an adjective, it should be placed after that thing. What a dangerous thing. Subject, a little learning. Verb is. There is no other words in the sentence, so we should write. Give an exclamation mark or note of exclamation. It will be the suitable answer. What a dangerous thing a little learning is. Next. It is a very pathetic scene. It is a very pathetic scene. It is the same of the first sentence. What a pathetic news it is. Clear? Have you got it? Okay. Number 3. The mango is very sweet. The mango is very sweet. If the assertive sentence begins with the and there may be very great, it doesn't matter. We should write how. We should write with how plus adjective or adverb. Adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb dot 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 plus note of exclamation. Look at the sentences. At first we should write an structure, what, then a or an, then adjective or adverb, but we can write here, we should write here how plus adjective or adverb. Okay, how. So how adjective sweet, how sweet. Subject the mango, verb is. Clear? How sweet the mango is. Okay. This type of sentences will be turned into exclamatory in such a way. Number 4. I wish I were a king. I wish I were a king. Look at the sentence carefully. I wish, subject verb, and I were a king. There is also a subject and a verb. This type of sentence we should write if. We should write if at the beginning of the sentence and after wish the rest of the sentence, such as I wish if. Instead of I wish we should write if and the rest of the sentence. If I were a king, it will be the answer. If I were a king. Number 5. I wish I had the wings of a dove. I wish I had the wings of a dove. This type of sentence will be answered from two ways, such as you can write if I had the wings of a dove, or had I the wings of a dove. Had I the wings of a dove, or if I had the wings of a dove. Number 6. I wish I could be a child again. I wish I could be a child again. I wish, instead of I wish, we should write would that. If the sentences has wish and after the next subject, if the auxiliary verb will be is in could, so we should write would that at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, would that. Would that, and rest of the sentence I could be a child again. Would that I could be a child again, and at last note of exclamation mark. Okay. It is very sad that, number 7, it is very sad that he had made a mistake. He had made a mistake. It is very sad. It is very sad. That means it is a matter of sorrow that. It is very sad, that means it is a matter of sorrow that. Instead of it is very sad or it is a matter of sorrow that, we should write alas, 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 and alas, hurrah, bravo, oh. These type of words are called interjection. And note of exclamation or exclamation mark will be placed after the interjection. Okay? And the rest of the sentence. He had made a mistake. He had made a mistake. Okay? If you master these rules, you can answer all types of assertive sentences which will be converted into exclamatory. So, dear students, this is all for the day. Tomorrow we will see in the next class you. Till then, you should be safe and sound, staying at home. Thank you everybody for joining my class.